Good morning everyone. Welcome to your English class. Today we are going to start with literature chapter number 2 of your literature reader books, and chapter 2 is the beautiful story of the fisherman and his wife, and this story is adapted from the Brothers Grimm. So let us start with the comic strip about a fisherman and his greedy wife. Once upon a time, there was a poor old fisherman and his wife who lived in a small hut near the sea. One day, the fisherman caught a golden fish in his net, and that golden fish could speak. He begged the fisherman, "Let me go, old man. I will reward you by giving anything you wish for." The fisherman replied, "You may go, dear fish. I don't need anything from you." Then the fisherman went back home and told his wife about the incident. "Oh, such a fool you are. You could have at least asked for a new watering trough." The fisherman's wife replied. The old man returned to the shore and called out to the golden fish. He told him what his wife had said. The fish replied, "Go back home. Your wish will be granted." The fisherman went back home and saw that there was a new trough, but his wife again started complaining. "You fool, go back and ask for a new house for us. I don't want to live in the small hut anymore." The old man went back once again and told the fish about his wife had asked for. "Don't worry, your wish will be granted." "I'm sorry, dear fish. She wants a new house now." The fisherman went back home and saw that now they had a new house. But poor fisherman's wife again complaining, "Go back. I want to be a noblewoman, not a peasant anymore." So the poor old man went back home once again and called the fish to make the new request. "Please don't be angry, dear golden fish. She now wants to be a noblewoman. Her wish shall be granted." When he went back home, he saw that his wife was wearing bright, beautiful, rich clothes. And he asked his wife, "Are you happy now? You have got you wanted?" "No," the wife replied. "Go back to the fish. I want to be the queen on the land." The fisherman was frightened now, but he went back to the shore and called the golden fish and requested her about his wife, that she wants to be the queen. Her wish was granted, but some week later the wife summoned him and gave him a new order. "Go, tell the fish that it must become my servant. I shall be the empress of the land and the sea." The poor fisherman replied, "Have you gone mad?" The fisherman was terrified, but he went back to the shore. However, the fish swam away without a word. "My wife has become crazy now, and now she wants to rule over you as well." When he returned home, he found that his wife was sitting outside their old small hut, wearing the same old clothes. Alas, this is what happened when greed takes over. We should have been happy with what we had. So, the moral of the story is, we should be happy with whatever we have. Should not be greedy anytime. That's all for today. Have a good day.